21st Century, Magnesium, 250 mg, 110 tablets. Product Overview Description: 10% free dietary supplement essential for protein synthesis and cellular energy. 21st Century, for a healthier future. Necessary for the metabolism of calcium, vitamin C, phosphorus, sodium, and potassium. Magnesium is essential for nerve and muscle function, and for converting blood sugar to energy. Suggested use: take 1 tablet daily with any meal for maximum daily results, or as directed by your healthcare provider. Do not exceed recommended dosage. Other ingredients: cellulose, stearic acid, kelp, cross-carbamylose sodium, silicon dioxide, magnesium stearate. Gluten-free. Unconditionally guaranteed for purity, freshness and label potency. No added sugar, salt, yeast, preservatives, artificial flavors or colors. Warnings: keep out of reach of children. Do not use if product appears to be tampered with or seal is broken. Store at room temperature. Disclaimer: while iHerb strives to ensure the accuracy of its product images and information, some manufacturing changes to packaging and/or ingredients may be pending update on our site. Although items may occasionally ship with alternate packaging, freshness is always guaranteed. We recommend that you read labels, warnings and directions of all products before use and not rely solely on the information provided by iHerb.